Skills. The ability to do something really well. We all want it. We all seek it. And we want our employees to have it. Skills are critical to producing our products safely, on time, and in the most cost-effective manner. The very foundation of getting work done depends on skills. Without a skilled workforce, product quality is left to chance. What if you could see the skill level of every employee for every task in your factory? What if you could manage all of your training and skills without a single piece of paper? And what if you could get a text the second someone attempts to work on a production line and they don't have the skills to do so? Well, you can. We are proud to introduce L2L's Skills Module. L2L Skills Module, in conjunction with our groundbreaking production module, brings all of these features right to your fingertips. Because L2L never charges for login seats, each person in the plant can have a user ID so their individual skills can be tracked. Each skill is tied directly to a document in the L2L Document Control Center. Because skills are tied to documents, if a document is revised, the skill requirement is updated. Immediately upon signing into L2L, a user's training status is checked against a digital training matrix in the L2L Skills module. Each skill can be tied directly to a line or role assigned to that user. If the user is not properly trained, a dispatch can be automatically launched and appropriate individuals receive notifications. These notifications can come in the form of text messages, emails, or on the L2L mobile app. All relevant data of who, what, when, and where of the skill deficiency are captured in L2L and can then be immediately accessed for graphical display using L2L reports. Additionally, L2L Skills Module also tracks the skills and training of all support organization employees, such as maintenance, engineering, and even office personnel. Tracked by individual user roles, L2L Skill Modules captures the skills and training status of every single employee that has an L2L login. L2L's famous no-code approach to system administration puts the customization of your training program in the hands of trainers and administrators, and minimizes the requirements for external consultants and developers. Never before has the day-to-day administration of training records been easier to manage or to see. If you're interested in learning more about this or other features of L2L, please contact us at sales@leadingthelean.com for a free demo.